Of course, there's no point having a classic 1960s British sports car if you can't get the hood down and enjoy this lovely summer sunshine. But getting the hood down on a car from this era isn't as simple as one from the 90s or the 21st century. It's a bit of a faff, and if you don't do it right, you can damage the hood, so it's important to do it the right way.
But first, our friends at Lancaster Insurance are running monthly giveaways. You can win all sorts, from experience days to tools, restaurant vouchers and tech. So click the link below at the end of the video to enter their latest competition.
So here we are in an MGC Roadster, but the basic design of the hood is the same on a lot of these 1960s British cars, so a lot of this applies to everything. The first step here is to undo the poppers at the corner and the ones holding the back of the hood around the doors to the frame, like that. Pop. And then you release the catches over the windscreen. And then you lift the hood up a bit, just take the tension out of the fabric, and undo the popper securing fastenings on each side at the back corners. That gives you enough free motion to undo the hooks at the corners, and then you have the steel rail built into the fabric at the back. You can grab the front and slide that out from these little teardrop shaped hooks. One of the things that's easy to damage are these triangular corner windows if they get pinched in the frame as it folds. So I think the best way to avoid that is to make sure you fold them inwards along that fabric there in between the windows. Fold them in a nice pointy triangle so they're pointing down into the hood well like that along the back. Again, just make sure that before you do the final fold that you haven't put any creases into the actual perspex or the plastic. Tuck it all in as it goes down into the hood well. And there you have a nice neatly and safely folded away hood. If you've got a tonneau cover, you can obviously then pop that down to stop it flapping up in the wind, but that is how to get the hood down on a classic Roadster.
This video is proudly sponsored by Lancaster Insurance. Give them a call on 01480 400 889 for an insurance quote on your classic car. And don't forget to click the link below to enter their latest competition.